In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Photoroom's various features to create stunning visual content. First, let's begin our creative journey by going to app.photoroom.com. Once you're there, head over to the Create section. This area is your gateway to starting any photo project, so make sure you bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Now, the next step is to select the photo you want to work with. Click on the Select Photo button. This will open up an interface where you can upload your chosen image. This is a straightforward process, but do take your time to select an image that complements the design you wish to achieve. Keep in mind that the quality of your final project starts with a well-chosen and high-resolution photo. With your photo selected, it's time to explore Photoroom's extensive library of templates. Click on the Templates button to reveal a world of creative options. Templates are a fantastic way to jumpstart your project because they provide a structured design foundation. Whether you're aiming for something sleek, minimalist, or bold, there's likely a template to fit your vision. As you browse through the available templates, feel free to scroll down and explore the entire collection. Take a moment to consider the mood and message you want to convey with your image. The right template can dramatically change the perception and impact of your photograph. It's okay to spend some time on this step. After all, a well-chosen template sets the stage for the next phase of your project. Once you've found a template that speaks to you, go ahead and click on it. This action will open the template and give you a preview of how it will look with your selected photo. If you like what you see, the next logical step is to apply this template. Click on the Apply New Template option. This will instantly integrate the template with your photo and start shaping your creation. To wrap up the creative process, click outside the workspace to see all the new layers added by the selected template. This step is crucial as it gives you a clear view of the modifications and allows you to make any necessary adjustments. Here, you can fine-tune elements to better fit your vision. These layers are like pieces of a puzzle that come together to form your final masterpiece. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to using Photoroom for your photo edits. This tool truly empowers you to enhance your images with professional flair and creativity. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy creating!